Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to use Uphold's account freezing feature. Alright, let's get straight into the video. And first up, what is the account freezing feature? Basically, account freezing is a security feature that allows you to temporarily freeze your Uphold account in case of suspicious activities, or to prevent unauthorized access. So you could just freeze that account and nobody will be able to mess with it. So here's how to do that. So first thing you need to do is to log into your Uphold account, and then you need to navigate to the security tab and click on security tab on the dashboard. Then you need to select the account freeze option. Then you got to confirm that you want to freeze your account, and you need to set a freeze duration. So that could be for an hour, a day, a week, a month, whatever. Once you set that up, your account will be frozen for that period of time. Now you should know that when you freeze your account, all transactions are going to be blocked. So including deposits, withdrawals, and trade, all of that is going to be blocked once your account is frozen. Now the second, of course, is account access is going to be restricted, so you're not going to be able to access your account or make any changes for that period. And of course, notification is going to be sent, so Uphold will send you notifications to confirm that the account is frozen. Now once the freezing is done, or for whatever reason you want to unfreeze your account, here's how you're going to do that. So you need to log into your Uphold account by going to the website, or to log in through the mobile app. Then you need to navigate to security tabs. Then you got to click on security tab on the dashboard. Then you need to select the account freeze option. So you want to confirm the unfreeze, and that's going to help you to unfreeze your accounts. Now here are a couple of tips and reminders for you guys. The first is to use account freezing in emergency situations. So you should only use this account freezing when you are suspecting malicious activities on your accounts, and you want to prevent unauthorized access to your accounts. So that's when you can use account freezing. The second tip, of course, is to contact Uphold support if needed. So you gotta reach out to the support team if you need assistance with account freezing or unfreezing. So that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, because that helps us out a lot. And please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you